Hello guys! Today we will be making
some cinnamon rolls.
And today I will be showing you how to do it with my sous chef, and his name is...
You already know me, I'm William. The last episode you saw me.
Oh my goodness! Alright, so let's tell them, why is cinnamon your favorite?
Because it's sweet and it's amazing and it's a roll.
And it's a roll.
Yeah, basically.
Right. What else are we waiting for? Let's do it.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go.
So now William will put the flour in the bowl.
It's heavy, but don't kill. Yeah.
You have to show them.
Everybody.
Okay.
Wow, it looks clean. Fresh.
And then put the butter.
Put the butter.
So the butter is so soft.
And
Put
this,
the yeast. Okay, put the yeast.
or as I like to call it, the yeet.
What?
Oh, it's like a little avalanche.
And then we will put the sugar.
Sugar.
Okay. Cover the yeast with sugar. And then we are putting the salt.
The salt. We like to get it a bit sugary and salty. Okay, I don't know what I just said.
And now it's time to put the egg. Do you know how to put the egg?
Of course, you crack it. Just don't put it.
Alright.
Don't put it in like with the shell. That would be cray. Woo!
Wow, I'm impressed. And now the milk.
The milk. The milk.
Is this your first time to do some baking?
Oh yeah.
So the next time you will know how to do your cinnamon rolls.
My cinnamon.
And now we have to
Snapple cakes.
Okay. Put the what?
The Captain Rapten Malapten hook.
Okay.
Then put it down.
Put it down.
If you don't have this, just mix it manually.
Alright. You can always mix it manually. We will have to knead it a little bit.
I am going to put the oil on here. Just remember to don't put too much. I'm gonna put a little bit. Is this enough?
That's enough.
Okay. Oh, I put.
I said that was enough.
That was by accident. Now I'm just doing this.
Spread it.
I'm spreading it.
So we have to make sure the bread doesn't stick there. You understand, right?
Yes. And also I'm sorry that I put too much.
And on the sides?
Yes. Okay, so now we are going to put the flour on the table.
We will dust the
Dust.
surface.
Yes, we shall, precisely. Now we're going to take the flour from here.
You have to do it quickly. Do it like a pro, okay?
Alright.
You're not doing it like a pro.
I
Just
need
have
more.
to put more.
Okay. What, like this?
And yeah, and you have to put a smile on your face. Like, I mean all the time. Not like... And now the moment we've been waiting for. The taste test.
I'm not gonna do that. That's a horrible thing.
Okay. Let's get to it.
Oh.
So what do you think?
It's amazing. The glaze on top, it just adds another flavor.
How about the cinnamon?
It's good. But
Is
like
it too sweet? Is it?
it's perfect. But if you add too much like glazing, it would be too sweet. If you add too much cinnamon, you just might sneeze your nose out.
Wow. So how will you rate that?
Out of 10, I would say another 11.
What?
10 out of 11. Wait. 11 out... What? Whatever, it's higher than 10.
So do you want me to do this again?
Oh, heck yeah.
Okay.
Please subscribe so you can see more breads like these.
Wow.
Please don't think I'm weird in the comments. Please.
How about the notification bell?
Oh yeah, click that too. I see you. One of my classmates are in there. I see you.
Why do they need to subscribe?
To see more content like this. It's like a mukbang.
Okay.
It's great.
See you again next time, guys.
Peace out, my dudes or dudettes.
Bye.
Peace out.